Welcome friends, myself Mahesh. In today's lesson we will see how to draw a fillet command or how to use that fillet command. Here fillet means what? These sections. Okay, so modify ribbon is there. In that modify ribbon there is one section that is fillet. Okay, you select from here or type F in your command prompt, that fillet option will appear. So fillet means rounding corner. So first of all you have to right click and select n number of options there: polyline, radius, trim, multiple, etc. To select radius options. Okay, and I want to apply the radius of, let's say, 45. Okay, I want to apply the radius of 45. Then enter. Then select the first objects and select the second object. Okay, similarly your fillet is done. Similarly I am repeating again, selecting radius. Let's say I want to apply the radius of 50 mm. Okay, 50 mm. Then select these objects, select this object. So this is one method. Or we can apply for, let's say, for rectangular section, this rectangular section. So how will you done it? How will you draw the fillet? Let's say fillet. Here fillet options, select radius. Let's say I am applying 10 mm radius. Then select this corner, then this corner. Okay, similarly you can apply the for the remaining portions. So select radius, then enter, then select first object and second object. That's it. Thank you.